Hello, Taurus. This is Wishes of a Wanderer Tarot, and this reading is going to be for Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs in Taurus. Let's see what are the messages that pop out for you. Guys, please like, share, subscribe to the channel. It really helps. Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. Oopsie. This is your first card, Taurus. Four of Swords. Your energies are all over the place, Taurus, because my cards are really flying here and there. Also, they are very sticky, so some of you are being very stubborn, I think, about something. I see a lot of stubborn cards also. Okay. Taurus, you guys are rejuvenating, recuperating from something that pushed you into a lot of sadness lately. It's happened in the recent past. These are not the energies of the present. I feel that you guys are waiting on something, waiting for somebody to communicate with you, or you are waiting to communicate with them. But I feel somebody is waiting to communicate. Card at the bottom of the deck is Six of Swords. Even though some of you have tried to move on from certain situations that were not very peaceful in the past, you guys still find yourself going back into the memory lane and you know thinking about what was, what could have been, what should have been, all those things. And even though you're trying to take authority and ownership of your life, you're trying to become the um, basically, I'll rephrase it, you're trying to navigate your life according to your terms and conditions. um, you still get those pangs of anxiety, those moments where you are helpless. Sometimes you don't know why you're thinking about certain people or certain incidents when they don't even count in the present. With a great difficulty, Taurus, I feel you are gaining direction. You're trying to pick up the broken pieces and you're trying to, join the um, puzzle. You're trying to, join your life back actually. But there are times when you feel really beaten and defeated. 18th, 9, 10, 60, 60, 50, 20 could be important numbers for you. Numbers, dates. But I feel you in the near future, you're going to be getting some good news regarding the person you were dealing with, or if not that, then some material gains regarding inherited property. If you were going through some kind of legal disputes with people regarding property and all, they will work out in your favor, Taurus. Yeah, I see a lot of waiting cards. I feel, Taurus, there could be a possibility that you want to communicate with a certain someone, but you're being a little stubborn about it. Now, being stubborn does not always mean in the negative way, but I feel you guys are doing it for self-preservation. There could be a possibility that some of you are waiting on an answer. You've proposed to somebody, you proposed a marriage, and you're waiting on an answer, or this could be the energies of the other person who wants to propose to you or who has proposed to you, and they're waiting for your answer, and you are being a little stubborn in telling them, giving them an answer because obviously you've been hurt in the past, and this may or may not be the same person who hurt you, but the past still lingers somewhere, and you don't want to just go face first into something that you're not sure of. But I'm getting hints that you guys are going to be getting some kind of closure when it comes to certain things that made you unhappy. You will feel the love, the care, the nourishment once again. You will feel like a queen once again. You'll feel in queen or king. Energy is fluid. This is not a gender specific reading. So take it however it resonates with you guys. And if you are dealing with somebody who is a fire sign individual, Leo, Aries, Sagittarius, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius person, then you should check out their readings as well. Because sometimes when you see what they are going through, or their readings may have certain messages that could help you take a decision, basically. Nothing more. You are afraid of being cheated, you're afraid of being um, taken for a ride, and which is absolutely normal, Taurus. And somewhere that person knows, whoever this person is who expects you to be their life partner, or who you expect to be your life partner, is quite well off. They probably have a good job, a good salary, and they have a nice big house, and they have good, um, like their job is not their only source of income, basically. I see a new beginning happening for you, Taurus. It could be in love, it could be in work, career as well. These could be your energies as well. You are becoming the person that you always dreamed of. I see very good energies, but a lot of waiting over here, Taurus. Let's see what the Morgan Gray needs to say to you, and then we'll take out some oracle messages. Queen of Cups. This is a beautiful energy when it comes to creativity. Some of you could be expecting your child, or this person who you have in mind could be somebody who is warm, compassionate, loving, and believes in equal give and take in relationships. Now, let's see some oracle messages. These may or may not be directly related to the tarot. Thankful. Think about the people and things you feel grateful for. Yeah, being grateful liberates you, Taurus. Make gratitude a way of life. Time to move on. It's time to let go of the old, worn out, so that the new can come in. Yeah, new passionate beginnings that I said. Yes, I am taking the liberty of connecting these oracle cards to the tarot, but you can take them however they want, however you want to. Because I'm here to relay the messages. It's all up to you at the end. Ask your angels. Probably meditate, guys. Meditate and do things that make you feel at peace. Indulging in hobbies, cooking, art, dance, spirituality. All these things make you feel at peace. And that's when you can get the most beautiful answers that you were always waiting for. Sometimes we are looking for answers outside of us when all we need to do is sit in silence and look inside of us. Taurus. Oh, meditate and contemplate. Okay, this was just you saw what I did. I was shuffling. It happened on its own, guys. It's a sign. You need to meditate. Believe in the impossible, Taurus, because luck is always on your side. Luck favors those who believe in themselves, Taurus. And as a sign, I know you guys have really high self-esteem, and it should always be the case. I have my Venus in Taurus, and I know how loving you guys can be. You need to take action towards your dreams, towards um, your passions. Activate um, that side of yours where it comes to, your passions, your hobbies, things that make you feel alive. Indulge in those things. This card has been coming for all the readings. You've done this before, Taurus. Um, your soul has already traveled this path, Taurus, and it's just that you need to have faith in yourself and tell yourself that you are at the right place at the right time, and there is no other place you'd rather be, because we keep trying to master our life where we're not even sure if you're going to wake up the next day. And when and we don't pay attention to the day that we have, thinking about tomorrow. And so all what I'm trying to tell you is, master the day instead of trying to master an entire life which you're not even sure of. So, Taurus, I hope this reading made sense to you. Thank you for watching. Bye.